अगर आप इतना बड़ा संगठन मेरे राज्य में चला रहे हो तो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा, या तो आके बोलना पड़ेगा कि किस कानून के तहत आप ये सारे काम कर रहे हैं। उत्तर दीजिए, आपके लेटरहेड पे उत्तर दीजिए। लेटरहेड है उनके पास? योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज ए लेटरहेड, नो? रजिस्टर्ड है ना? सी द दलित्स इन बीजेपी आर सबसर्विएंट to the RSS. It is very clear, the language, the way he says, Dalits should not question RSS. Why? Dalits are not part of the society. Dalits are not part of the constitution. And who is anybody to tell me what to question or not to question? As an individual, I have my rights. And as the Home Minister of Karnataka, I am very careful in what I am saying. अगर आप इतना बड़ा संगठन मेरे राज्य में चला रहे हो तो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा, या तो आके बोलना पड़ेगा कि किस कानून के तहत आप ये सारे काम कर रहे हैं। Why is and I don't care about what Mr. Ramesh Jignani or anybody else has to say about it. I am duty bound, I am constitutionally bound, whether I am a Dalit or anybody else, I have equal rights as much as Mr. Mohan Bhagwat has.
Your letter has initiated a debate across the country. Now the senior advocates
why are advocates talking? Are they mouthpieces of RSS? Are they mouthpieces of RSS? I have asked a very clear question to an organization as a Home Minister. They better come and answer to me. You want to send them? Let them come. Designate them. No, what is this nonsense of writing editorials, writing on Twitter, giving your opinion there, here? Doesn't matter to me. I have written to an organization. Let the organization depute anybody. I am not saying you depute X, Y, Z. You depute APC also, I have no problem. But आके ऑफिशियली क्या है उत्तर दीजिए, आपके लेटरहेड पे उत्तर दीजिए। लेटरहेड है उनके पास? योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज ए लेटरहेड, नो? रजिस्टर्ड है ना आपका? आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से 10 गुना है वो, उनके पास लेटरहेड नहीं है। So let them come, talk to us, tell us. No sir, this is how we are doing things. This is the constitutional provision in this. Please don't let loose your slaves to discuss with me. I'm not going to discuss this with any lawyer. I'm not going to discuss this with any BJP. I'm not going to answer anybody. They are answerable to me.
So BMRCL has to drop for the sake of this channel project. Data says that more than 8 lakh people going to be.
Please see, I have no clear data of what you just mentioned. But the point remains that the idea is to decongest the city. And whatever it is, it will be done in a scientific manner. The ultimate aim, objective of this thing is to ensure that Bangalore gets investment that is true to its potential. And mobility is of course a challenge, and we will solve that through this.
Sir, is there a discussion to remove the ban on house slaughter? Because few Congress leaders have spoken to
No, whatever it is, whether it is cow slaughter, anti-conversion, any other bill that is regressive, which is not as per the constitution, we will discuss it, and I cannot do it sitting in my drawing room, right? It has to come to public purview, it has to come to the assembly, let everything be debated. We are not like the central government, where they throw out MPs, disqualify MPs and pass bills. Let them sit there, let them discuss with us what is the problem with any bill.
Is the government currently looking at this particular?
No, I am not aware, but I am saying in my capacity as the Home Minister that any bill that is not good for the people of Karnataka will be debated.